You think you know this shape? You don't. 4,500 years. That number only matters when you feel it. The Roman Empire, the Greek, the Ottoman, all gone. This shape was already ancient when your concept of history began. The Great Pyramid of Giza, 2.3 million stones, some weighing 60 tons, heavier than a modern battle tank. No steel, no engines, just human hands and a level of organizational intelligence we have spent centuries refusing to credit. The theory? Internal ramps. A spiral passage built inside as it rose, like a parking garage 4,000 years before the car. The pyramid built itself from the inside out, one block placed every 2 minutes, for 20 years, without stopping. Not brute force, not mystery. Mathematics made solid. But moving the stones is only the first question. The second is far more precise. Look at the base, a square, 230 meters on each side, aligned to the 4 cardinal directions. The difference? Less than 6 centimeters across the length of 2.5 football fields, achieved with only rope and shadows. The entire pyramid is aligned to true north. The error? Only 4 minutes of arc, more precise than many modern buildings. How? The fall equinox. A wooden rod planted in the ground casts a shadow that traces a nearly perfect east-west line. In 2016, this method was tested using only ancient tools. The result matched the pyramid's alignment almost exactly. The Egyptians didn't need technology we haven't invented yet. They needed patience, precise observation, and one clear autumn day. But precision without purpose is just geometry. So what was the purpose? Most people think it's just a tomb, a monument to ego. But then, explain the shafts. 4 narrow passages cut through millions of tons of stone. They point directly to Orion's Belt and Sirius. These are not air shafts. The pyramid was not a place to bury a body. It was a launch pad aimed at eternity. In 2010, a robotic explorer traveled 60 meters through solid stone. At the end, a small sealed door, and another block beyond that, another barrier. We have mapped Mars and sequenced the human genome. Yet, inside the structure, there is a room we have not yet opened. The pyramid is not a monument, it is a machine, engineered for a purpose larger than any single human life, and it is still running. You think you know this shape. You don't. It's still asking questions we haven't thought to ask yet.